Day everyone. So this is Kimberly and I'm going to be stepping you through how to create your G999 web wallet. As you know, in order for you to start earning your 3.5 to 5% in your DeFi savings plan, you have to have a place to store your G999 coins. And so all of the coins that you're going to be putting into your DeFi savings plan will be stored in this web wallet. Okay, so in order to get here, you can click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to this website, mywallet.g999main.net. All right, so once you get here, this is what you'll see. And there's two options: to create a new wallet and to access an existing wallet. All right, so we're going to go ahead and create a wallet. All right, and so there's a message which is very important. Okay, it is very important that you take and you store these mnemonic keywords in a safe place, as it can't be recovered. No one else has access to your keywords but you. All right, that is the security feature when it comes to your web wallet. All right, it can only be you and the person who has these keywords that will ever be able to access and recover your wallet. So it's giving you this warning. So it's making sure that you understand, because you have to click the box to say I understand in order to create the new web wallet. Once you do that, it's going to take you to these 24 unique mnemonic codes. These are your key words. All right, and as it says, make a note that the following words, which are your mnemonic key, and store them safely. So make a note, meaning print them off, take a screenshot. You'll be able to export them out, which I'm going to show you how to do. And when you print them out, put them somewhere safe. Everyone should have a safe or some type of place that you can put away that no one else can have access to. All right. This is the only way that you'll be able to access and recover your wallet. There's no username, there's no names, there's no passwords. It's only these 24 keywords. All right. So it tells you at the bottom on the next page, you'll be asked to write them down again. Now what it's going to ask you is to actually type the words into the box. All right. So make sure you're printing them off, you're taking a screenshot, and now you have these options to generate another address, which we don't want to do. We're going to use these words. And you have the option to export the mnemonics. Okay, so we're going to hit that. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you a place to store these on your system. All right, if you're on your phone, you need to make sure you know where your files are being stored. If you're on your desktop or your PC or a laptop or a tablet, make sure you know where these are going to be stored. All right. If you are an iPhone user, you can put them into your iCloud drive. All right. And that way that you'll have means to access these on all of your devices. Okay. So as you can see, it's saving the file as the wallet address. All right. And so it's going to be a text file. All right. So all you're doing is deciding where to save it. I'm going to save it on my cloud drive, and I'm just going to hit save. All right, it's already downloading, so I know it's there. Okay. All right, so now that you have these words printed somewhere, you have it saved on your desktop or anywhere on your system, you have a screenshot of them. All right, now you can go ahead and go to the next step. So you're going to hit next. All right, so it's asking you again, have you saved your mnemonic key? It's very important to store them safely. It cannot be recovered. You can either write it down or export it and store it somewhere safe. I suggest you do all of them. If you want to write them down, if you want to export them, definitely, and print them off, do all three options. Because once your G999 coins are in this web wallet and you lose your keys, you will lose your coins. You will lose your coins. you will lose your coins. All right, so make sure you have them saved. And if you have everything in its right place, you can click yes, I confirm. All right, so now you're going to take those keywords. All right, you're going to take those keywords and you're going to type them in. I just opened up where I exported them, and you can do this as well. Okay, so hold on. Let me do this a different way. It's not going to let me. So I'm going to open them up. Okay, and I'm going to type them in. All right. Let me see if they let you copy and paste them. Just curious. Nope, you have to type them in. So, it does let me copy and paste. Okay, so that's another thing that you can do. You can either type them in or you can copy and paste. Now make sure that there's no spaces in the front or in the back of the words, okay? All right, so I'm just taking that Word document or that text document, and I'm copying and pasting them into all of the boxes. And you're going to go from left to right, all right? And please make sure that see, this one had a space. So I have to take that space out. Make sure there's no spaces in the front or the end of each word. A lot of people, I've had some people have that issue. All right. And once you have them exported, you won't have to type them in. You can just import them, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. All right, but for the first time of setting everything up, it is required that you put them back into the boxes. Again, you can type them in, or you can do what I'm doing, and you can copy and paste them if you're on. It's more easier probably if you're on your PC. Okay, I'm almost there. Got a couple more words to go. All right. And please note too that you can have more than one web wallet, okay? But just make sure that you have one dedicated to your DeFi. Okay, all right, so I have them all in, and now the validate button has highlighted. So I'm going to hit validate. Okay, so it went through, so it says it's loading. All right. Okay, so now we're in. Okay, so the most important thing that you need from this screen is your wallet address. Okay, so you can hit at the very top, you can see receipt. So this is your receipt wallet. So this is the wallet that you're going to send those G999 coins for DeFi. So everything that's stored in this web wallet is where you're going to be earning that interest on. Okay, so you can hit the copy button, which is the 2 squares. It says copy, and you can paste it somewhere safe. You can also highlight and copy it, highlight, right click and copy, and do it that way as well. Okay, so that is pretty much it as far as setting up and getting in. So what I want to show you really quickly is how to exit. You always want to exit, so you're going to hit the red exit button to exit out. Okay, and then I'm going to show you, it's going to ask you, do you want to confirm if you want to exit? And then I'm going to show you how to go back in. All right, so we created the wallet the first time. Now we're going to access our wallet. All right, so when you hit access your wallet, it's going to take you to the mnemonic keys screen again. And so you can do what I did, copy and paste them. You can type them in, or look at the very bottom, you can import those keywords, all right, from the file that we just downloaded. So when you click this button, is going to open up. And remember, I put them on my cloud drive, and this is the file, the GYV. I'm going to click that, and it's going to import those words. So I don't have to type them in. I don't have to copy and paste. Once they're in there, it's going to say access my wallet. I'm going to click access the wallet, and boom, it's loading. I'm back in. Same wallet address. This is my web wallet. All right. So that's it for this video. If you need assistance on the previous steps, you can find those links at the bottom in the notes, and hope that was very helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me at any given time. My contact information will also be available in the notes of this video. Have a wonderful day.